Hello, this is the Ninetology Stealth II i9500 and I'm going to show you the user interface of the phone. The specification of the Stealth 2 is more or less like the Black Pearl 2, which is running on the MediaTek MT6577 1GHz dual-core processor. But what sets them apart is the 5-inch diagonally large screen on the Stealth 2, and also the resolution of the screen is now 854 x 480, giving the screen a 16:9 ratio of screen. So what's good about the 16:9 ratio is when you are watching videos, most HD videos, the whole video will fill up the whole screen and giving you a full video viewing experience. And as you can see, the video occupies the screen fully, and also the voice is quite loud as well for the Stealth 2. Right, enough about the videos. Now we are going to take a look on the browsing experience. Fired up the Google Chrome and went to the text-heavy site, the New York Times. And as you can see, when I'm scrolling this website, thanks to the dual-core processor, everything is very smooth. And also the 5-inch screen experience, giving you a much clearer view of the whole website compared to 4-inch, for example. And the processor also performs very well here. Zoom in and out, and if you want to view any text, you just double tap on the text, and as you can see, the text shows quite clearly. That's about the browsing experience. The Stealth 2 supports Wi-Fi and also 3G connectivity. Now what's next? The camera. The camera of the Stealth 2 is 8 megapixel unit with 2 LED flash, and also of course it supports autofocus capability as well. Now the camera, let's take a look on the things that can be changed. As you can see here, there are 4 shooting modes: normal photos, videos, panorama, and 3D rotate photos, or whatever you call it. So the camera settings, you can store your location as usual, exposure, self timer. Picture size is up to 8 megapixel. You can change your ISO and a lot. Scene, you can change your scene mode, color effects, white balance, flash mode, HDR even, and you can also zoom in and out your photos. You can switch between front facing or back facing camera for the photos camera. Same goes to the video as well, where you can shoot. You can select front or back facing camera. You can select your video quality. If you select fine, the video that is captured is in 720p HD resolution. And the Stealth 2 also supporting continuous focus mode, which is a plus, and you rarely see this function on most, camera on handphones. Yeah, that's the word I'm looking for. Time-lapse interval, effects, color effect, white balance, and flash mode. Supports panorama mode and rotation or 3D mode as well. And that's about the camera of the Stealth 2. What else? So the skin of the Stealth 2, or the interface, also more or less the same with the Black Pearl 2. That is, comes default with Go Launcher. And as you can see, take a look at the gallery is the default Android 4.0 gallery. And if you drag down the notification bar, there are shortcuts that is also what you don't get on default Android, which is specially customized by Ninetology. And what else? This is the phone app, I believe. Yes, it's the phone app, and as you can see at the bottom, this phone also supports 3G video calls. Last but not least, I'm going to show you SIM management, the video call, no, not the video call, data connection. Right, actually what I'm want to show you is the capability of the phone to be able to use the 3G network on both SIM card. Even a SIM card 1 or SIM 2, both can access the 3G connection, unlike most dual SIM Android phone where only the SIM 1 can access the 3G connection and the SIM 2 are for GSM only. That's about it. Last but not least, Android version 4.0.4 ice cream sandwich. That's all for the user interface of the Ninetology Stealth II. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Ninetology videos.